Hello friends, welcome back to Versatile Frame Captures. Today we are going to do something liquid oriented, that is lemonade. As you can see that there are plenty of ingredients that I am gonna use, but it's not a normal version. Instead of like a salt, sugar having it outside, so I'm gonna just try it with a twist. So let's get started. First I'm taking a falooda seeds and I'm taking a small bowl in which I took a water. So I'm gonna add the seeds in it. So make sure to add limited amount, not more, because it's gonna be bulging within 5 minutes of time. So just make sure to rotate it in the water and keep it aside for the 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you can see now that it's a bit big, and now we can able to use it. This is basically used for reducing the heat from the body. So I'm gonna keep it aside. Now I'm taking a glass, and let's add the ice cubes then. So you can add n number of ice cubes. So I'm gonna add a bit, and I'm going to add a slit chilies and squeeze the lemon. For the lemon, let me give you two tricks, guys. So lemon, either you can rotate it on the flat surface and you can able to extract the maximum amount of juice if it's in yellow color. So let me go ahead and add the falooda seeds. 2 spoons I'm using it. So after that, a pinch of salt, and now I'm gonna add the soda, in which you can even add the water. So I'm adding a soda instead of water. We have added the chili so that the tanginess will come into your tongue and it will be a bit spicy. The version which you have outside is basically of a salt, sweet, or else masala soda, whereas this is a spicy version of it. Here you can see the falooda seeds is rolling out and the slit chilies are there. So let me go ahead and have a sip. Yeah, guys, this is seriously spicy now. So let me go ahead and take a glass for the second version. This is a simple version. You can directly buy the squash, which is a homemade version which I'm using, and by the way, this is not a sponsored one. I'm taking 1 to 2 spoons of it, in which clearly the instruction mentioned that we can use soda or else water. So after taking that, it's a lemon pudina version. I'm gonna add a few of ice cubes. So after adding the ice cubes, directly we can add the soda. It's as simple as that. You can see how it's rolling out. So after adding soda, just we are gonna mix it so that the soda as well as the lemon pudina it comes together. You can see it's turning green now. As the summer is getting started, the body will get dehydrated, guys. So you can try out this recipe at your home. As you can see now that it's completely green, and let me go ahead and have a sip. Yeah, the pudina taste is very nice, guys. Do try it at your home. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and thank you, guys.